Hey guys, what's up? It's Bree. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can tell, today I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup that I don't really use, that's just kind of sitting in my collection. I got this idea from Andrea Castro here on YouTube. I'm gonna put her name because I don't know how to say people's names and I'm really bad, but I just want to give her a shout out for just giving me this great idea. So if you guys haven't seen her channel, make sure you guys go check her out. If you want to see how I got this look and all the products that I use today, make sure to keep on watching. Okay, so as you can tell, I have my brows on already. I don't have a product that I don't use because I just always stick to my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. Again, I am in the shade dark brown, if you are wondering. And I did go ahead and conceal my brows as well. I'm going to go ahead and start off with some primer. I'm going to prime with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. I don't really have an eye primer that I don't really use that much. I tend to use all of my eye primers, but this is maybe the one that I pick up the least. No specific reason. I think it works great. I just tend to use my Wet n Wild one more just because it's a little bit more affordable. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start priming the eyes. For today, I'm gonna use the Lorac Pro 2 palette, and this is what it looks like. The main reason that I feel like I don't go for this palette a lot or enough is because this is a cool tone palette. This is what it looks like. As you can tell, the colors are very cool tones. There's a lot of grays and a couple of pops of color like a blue, a green. The whole first row is matte shades, and then the whole bottom row are shimmer shades, which is really nice. Actually, that's something that I do love about it because it's laid out very nicely, which I do enjoy. I'm gonna go ahead and just set my eye primer, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and it is in the shade Buff. It is just a nice kind of banana shade. I kind of want to play with this navy, maybe do a navy smoky eye, I don't know why. So I'm going to dip into the shade right here, and it is called Navy. It is a beautiful navy blue. I'm going to just start by stamping this all across the lid. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Plum. And it is a very nice purpley plum color, and I'm gonna mix in a little bit, just like one dab of the navy, and then kind of go back in just to get like a really nice violet color. And I'm gonna start buffing out this harsh edge. I don't wanna waste what's left. Then I'm gonna go ahead and dip into the shade right here, and it is called Light Brown, and it is a very nice light brown, but it is like a neutral brown. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I am going to throw on a pair of lashes, and I will be right back. So for primer, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Wet n Wild matte face primer. Actually, I do really love the texture. As you can see, it's like a lotiony type texture, which I really do enjoy about this primer, but I just found that it wasn't an actual matte primer. So yeah, I mean, it doesn't really do much, but it is nice to have this just in case you don't want to spend a lot of money and you just want to put something under your foundation that doesn't really interrupt the foundation or make your skin feel any different. For today, I'm going to be using my Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable foundation, and this is what it looks like. I just don't reach for that much. There's no specific reason. When it comes to foundations especially, I'm pretty good with palettes and like a lot of things in my collection, but when it comes to foundation, I just stick to the same thing. So I went ahead and set my face with the Airspun. I used to use this powder all the time, but now that I discovered my Fit Me, I don't really use that one much, honestly. Now I'm going to go ahead and bronze and contour. I'm going to use the Anastasia contour kit. I do have the medium to tan shade, so I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm gonna bronze my face really quick. I do really like this contour kit. I think it works amazing. I just find that these colors are a little off for my skin tone. I think I would have been fine if I would have gotten the light to medium shades, but I still make them work, and I think the formula on these are amazing. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna go into this palette, and this is the Jaclyn Hill and Becca palette, face palette collaboration that she launched a couple, maybe like a year or two ago. I don't really remember, but I used to use this palette all the time, as you can tell. But I'm gonna dip into this shade in the middle, and it is called Amaretto, but I don't really use them that much just because I think it's in a palette form, so I just tend not to reach for it as much as I should. It's just easier to grab a small blush in my collection and use it rather than having to take out this palette. I'm gonna go into the shade Plum, and I'm gonna really pack that on the lower lash line. I'm gonna put it as close as I can to my lower lashes. I'm gonna grab a little small blending brush, and then I'm gonna dip into light brown, and I'm gonna diffuse the purple. So now we have that. I'm gonna go into the shade Silver, and it's basically just a silver, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop that into my inner corner. For highlight today, I'm gonna be using this MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, and this is in the shade Soft and Gentle. It looks like this. I really love this highlight. I think it's really nice, and it is very blinding, but I just find that this is like a cooler toned kind of highlight on my skin tone, so that's why I don't reach for it that much, but it is really nice. So just because we have so much going on in the eyes, I'm gonna go in with a just nude lip, and this is Badetti Cosmetics. I don't really know how to say this, but it's in the shade Nudes. This is actually like my go-to nude, but I didn't want to pair anything else with this eye. So over this, I'm gonna put this gloss. We'll see how this looks. This is an Almay Goddess gloss, and this is in the shade Cosmic. I mean, I haven't used these actually, and we'll see how they look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, make sure you hit the bell down below so you can get notifications every time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.